Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this comparison are down in the description below. This review is based on my own personal experience using both banks. On Rome Tips today, we're tackling the Fifth Third Bank versus M&T Bank debate. Which one comes out on top? In this video, we'll compare Fifth Third and M&T, highlighting their key features to help you choose the best bank for your specific financial needs. For your convenience, you'll find links to both banks in the description. Let's dive in. Fifth Third Bank offers a comprehensive suite of personal banking services, encompassing checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and various loan options. They've earned a reputation for their competitive interest rates and a user-friendly mobile app that provides convenient access to your accounts and banking services wherever you are. Fifth Third's rewards program for credit card users is a definite plus for those looking to earn cash back or accumulate reward points. Furthermore, their robust small business banking services make Fifth Third a compelling option for entrepreneurs. With branches in over 10 states, Fifth Third boasts a significant national presence, which is a major advantage for customers who value a large network of physical branches and ATMs. Their financial planning services and investment options further enhance their appeal, making them a suitable choice for individuals seeking to build and expand their wealth. Alternatively, M&T Bank is recognized for its strong regional presence, particularly in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic regions of the United States. They also offer a diverse range of banking products, including checking and savings accounts, loan options, and credit cards. M&T differentiates itself through its personalized customer service and a commitment to financial literacy and education for its customers. Their online banking platform and mobile app are highly regarded, offering seamless and efficient financial management tools. M&T's specialized mortgage options and home equity products are particularly attractive to homeowners and first-time homebuyers. They're an excellent choice for those who appreciate localized, community-focused service and a strong connection to their local branch. In summary, if your priority is nationwide coverage, a rewarding credit card program, and comprehensive financial planning services, Fifth Third Bank is likely the better option for you. However, if you value personalized regional service, a strong emphasis on customer support, and a range of mortgage products, M&T Bank could be the perfect fit. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more in-depth information on both banks.